Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the Vivitar SD reader that fits iPhone 15 USB-C port or a USB-C hub. Once connected, you begin immediately. Insert the SD card fully, make sure the tiny right protect slider is off, then plug the reader into your iPhone. You'll see a trust or allow prompt. Tap allow and keep the phone unlocked and awake. This initial handshake lets iOS mount the card and makes your photos and files available to the Photos and Files apps. Once the card is visible, open Photos and go to Import or Launch Files and navigate the external drive. You can tap individual images to pick them or hit Import All to save time. Monitor the progress bar at the top so you know when transfer finishes. Make a conscious choice when prompted. Keep Originals keeps files on the SD card. Delete after import frees space on the card. After import, organize into albums or folders so you can find files quickly. To finish, confirm the import completed and close photos or files, then unplug the Vivitar reader gently. Don't yank it mid-transfer. Verify every expected photo or video opened and back them up to iCloud or your preferred drive for redundancy. If the reader isn't detected, try swapping the cable or hub, toggle the SD card's lock switch, and ensure the card uses XFAT or FAT32, which iPhone supports. If those fail, clean contacts and try another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.